Hi, I am going to go to the grocery store. It's sunny. And get some groceries for the weekend. We're going to go to the mountains. We're going to take the kids to the mountains. They have their fall break. It's today, tomorrow, and the weekend, obviously. But I'm going to go to Aldi and get groceries so we don't have to go to the grocery store there. And I don't have a list, so I'm going to sit in the car and make a list when I go to Aldi. And I'll take you along with me. I love a good Aldi trip. And I think all their fall stuff's out, so that'd be really nice. Aldi was looking great today. So I just kind of perused the aisles and looked at kind of what I wanted. I knew I wanted some salad. I did not make the list. I realized that when I got in here, and I thought, should I just make the list now? And I didn't. I just enjoyed kind of a slow walk through Aldi and just kind of grabbed whatever my heart desired. Just as I imagined, they had all of their fall stuff: pumpkin spice cake, pumpkin spice loaf, pumpkin cookies. I ended up getting those cinnamon rolls, which are not pumpkin, and I also got some pumpkin cookies, pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. And the kids have already gotten into those, and I ate one too, and they are delish. Got some garlic bread because I'm going to make spaghetti this weekend. They had an everything but the bagel sourdough bread that was sliced. I bet that was delicious, but my family doesn't like sourdough. And if I get bread that they don't like, then I'll eat the bread. And I'm trying not to eat a ton of bread. Bought some hoagie rolls, but I'll just let you kind of watch a little peruse through Aldi. I just did this little area, and then I did all the Aldi finds for you to look through. Oh, I love a cinnamon broom, but I don't get the big ones because they're not really in my decor, but I do like a little cinnamon broom. Here's all the Aldi finds. I do a slow walk through Aldi finds so you can kind of see what all they have. I thought those little metal jack-o'-lanterns are so cute. This was a Halloween silicone bake pan. Those mugs were really cute. Squishimals. My kids are too old for those, but if they were the right age, I would have gobbled them up. The little pumpkin carving kit. I love these wooden serving boards. They've got a maple leaf, pumpkin, and then a pumpkin that has those sections. I don't know what those sections are for. If I was going to get one, I would just get the plain flat one. I didn't get one. I have enough serving boards and pumpkin things, but these were really cute. Put a little candle in that. That'd be cute outside, I think. Aldi has some of the cutest cat and dog toys and little cat like playthings, dog beds, extension cords, saws, just really random things in this aisle. This was like a puffer tote bag. I liked it. It was huge, but I have about 1,000 bags, so I didn't get that. It was only $20. This soup looked really, really good. It was like a tomato basil. These were some cookie mug toppers. They were in the shape of like pumpkins and maple leaves. Huge doormat for like $12, $12.99. But I got enough groceries to keep the family alive for the weekend and packed them up in the car and headed on home. Once I got home, I realized the kitchen was a mess. Surprise, surprise. So I straightened it up really quick. Let's do this real fast. Whew, that was tough. Then I went ahead and put out everything I got, laid it out before I put it up. So let's talk about what I got. I got 4 packs of this turkey rope sausage. I heard somebody call it rope sausage. It's kielbasa sausage, but I'm going to start calling it rope sausage. I got 2 dozen eggs. 2 dozen eggs. Yeah, that's how you say that. This brand is the Reggiano. I don't think I'm saying that right. Spaghetti sauce. I got traditional and like the garlic one. I got some buttermilk pancake mix. These are the cookies I got that were delish. I got the crunchy Cheetos for their brand. Everything's their brand. Boulder sandwich bags. And some cheese balls. Looks like they've already hit the cheese balls pretty hard. 2 containers of their organic medium salsa. Hashtag best salsa ever. 2 bags of their tortilla chips. They're very good too. I got 2 bags of veggie straws. I got 2 boxes of their apple flavored Nutri-Grain bars. I got their ready-to-bake garlic bread, $1 off, and a loaf of white bread. I told you my family likes a plain bread. I got their like chomps, and it's jalapeno beef sticks. I don't know if I'm like those or not. And I love these right here. They're their little snack packs, and this has turkey sausage and some Colby Jack cheese, 2 of my favorites. I did end up buying those cookie mug toppers, and I'm excited to take those to the mountains. They'll be neat to put on our coffee, just something special. 2 packs of paper plates, a pack of hoagie rolls, a pack of cinnamon raisin bagels, some Honeycrisp apples, some red grapes, green grapes, 2 cans of cranberry sauce. We're going to have chicken pie, and you got to have cranberry sauce with chicken pie. I got some pumpkin cold foam, a thing of bananas, a thing of baby carrots. This popcorn is the bomb. I mean, it is better than any Orville Redenbacher. It's Clancy's popcorn. I got some Pillsbury pumpkin cookies and some Fudge Shop cookies. Cinnamon rolls, I told you about those. And these birthday cake covered pretzels, cinnamon rolls. Their cinnamon rolls are the bomb. I ended up getting this little car vacuum, cordless vacuum cleaner and blower. I'll let you know if that's any good. I don't have high hopes because I don't think any of those vacuums are very good. And I got a 4-outlet cord reel. Those were like $12.99. I mean, that's pretty great. Their pimento cheese is also really good, so I got some of that. I like to eat that on like carrots and celery. And I got some buttermilk layer biscuits, flaky layers. Fresh ground turkey, 85% lean. Some chicken thighs. I've already cooked those up for the chicken pie. I got a pack of a bold mix. I think it's the bold mix because it has arugula in it. Backyard Farms. And I got some green leaf lettuce. Backyard Farms. These are like $2.50 each. These are so good. They're chicken egg rolls. Oh my lord, these things are good. And they're 140 calories for 1. And so I usually eat 2 for 280 calories. Quick math. And I got some stuffed mushroom caps. Nobody likes these in my family but me, but they're very healthy, I think. I mean, have to be. Mushrooms. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my Aldi trip and the Aldi haul, and happy fall, y'all. We're going to the mountains, so I'll film that too.